Prime Minister obviously has to view this footage. Listen. Because that seems to me to be a foreign influence, guys. And that means it borders on espionage. And that's when politicians have to come in and the necessary departments. Listen. That's a foreign influence ordering people to disturb the peace within our community. Someone has sat down and thought, right, how can we disturb the peace in London? Well, how about we just get emergency vehicles, ambulances to keep going round and round and round all day? I mean, what about the drivers? What about the people driving these vehicles? Is it always a new person? It can't be. They have to be the same vehicles. You can't have loads of vehicles behaving like this, because that means that they wouldn't be dealing with the emergencies, the real emergencies and the real crimes.